Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia from seizures and strokes to the cerebellum. The therapy band, as shown in this video, gives another layer of difficulty to other resistance band exercises I previously have shown. If you didn't see those exercises, I'll put a link in the description below. You can get therapy bands from most athletic stores or your nearest Walmart or Target. The exercises with the therapy band are very similar to those with the resistance band but more difficult. Depending on the therapy band exercise, you can be either sitting or standing. At the beginning, I am showing everyone what the therapy band looks like. It is much smaller than a normal resistance band, which makes it more difficult. Just like with the normal resistance band, in exercise 1, put the therapy band around your thighs, as if you were putting on pants. This is another thing the therapy band can be used for, that is to simulate putting on pants. This particular exercise is called the butterfly. Basically, it exercises your legs and hips by taking your knees in and out as demonstrated. It is strengthening your legs and hips, but also more body parts. I cross my arms and place them on my chest to ensure I don't get any assistance from my arms. You don't need to do this. If you feel it's better to use your arms for support, then you should do it. With this exercise, I began with what I could do at first, but I ensured I did 3 sets of this exercise. You always want to shoot for a number for each set, such as 3 sets of 20. The second exercise are sitting knee raises as demonstrated. Just like the first exercise, it's strengthening your legs and hips, but also other parts of your body such as your core. Again, I cross my arms on my chest to ensure I don't get any assistance from them because I want to focus on my core strength. Complete 3 sets of whatever number, but always shoot for a number or goal. To get the most out of all these exercises, for example, for the knee raises, when the knee comes up, complete it fast and release or let down slowly. The third therapy band exercise are standing knee raises as demonstrated. I have a tendency to fall backwards, so I make sure I have a wall or something behind me for support. I don't cross my arms over my chest because I have a tendency to fall. I keep them to my side just in case I need to catch myself. If you can't catch yourself, remember not to fight the fall, because this is when you can really hurt yourself. I previously made a video on how to fall. If you missed that video, I'll put a link in the description below. I was lucky enough to ride and race dirt bikes in the past, so it teaches you how to fall. You get a lot of practice at it, unfortunately. Just like the previous exercises, complete 3 sets of a number, but shoot for a goal. As always, it's so important to get this content out there because most people, including some doctors, do not know anything about ataxia. Please help the channel out and bring awareness to ataxia, which is extremely rare, by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you.